So this probably is going to be one of my favorite unboxings of all time. Why? Because we have the Panasonic Lumix S5X, S5 IIX actually. I had the first version of the S5. For those who follow my channel know that I totally loved the first generation Lumix S5 camera, but I didn't make a lot of upgrades. I didn't make the most out of it, so I sold it at some point. I didn't took premium lens for it, and I decided that I'm gonna try again with the second generation, with the S5 IIX, which is already on the market for quite some time. But let's answer to one basic question at the end of this unboxing. Is it worth buying the S5 IIX in 2026, since it has been on the market for 2 years and there are newer models? And let's begin and see what's inside. This is a very interesting bundle with the S5 IIX and lens included in the box, but I'll keep that a secret. So watch the video and see what's the surprise that they did. I think it's mostly for the European market, but I think they can make this a global offer. I'll research and put this in the description. Very nice packaging, hard box like usual. I'm super impressed with the boxing of this Panasonic product. Premium cardboard, and let's see what is inside. Let me show you the packaging all around before I continue. Entirely blacked out, just like the X version of this camera. And inside we have two boxes. So first of all, we have this box where you will find the S5X, and let me show you the other one. We don't need this. And the other one is the surprise I was talking about. This is the 24-105 f4 lens. So I have been researching this lens quite a lot in the past, but never bought one. I think I've tested it once, but never purchased one. So it is an amazing deal to have the S5 IIX and the f4 24-104. This is the L-mount, very good zoom lens. But let's continue with the unboxing, the 2026 unboxing of the Lumix S5 IIX. So let's open very nicely packaged both boxes that were inside. We have some guarantee, pan-European guarantee. Let's put this on the side and see what we have inside. Okay, I see the camera. It made one little change because this is actually the second unboxing. I had to see what's inside just for a while, and I have put the strap on the camera itself, which we can find right here. So let's put this on the side. This is the camera itself, and inside we have some cardboard. Here's the bed of the camera. We'll put this on the side, and this is the battery. 2200 battery, pretty decent battery. I've researched it compared with some competitors. Especially I was also planning to buy the Canon R6 Mark II, and the Canon R8 was another of my favorite, but the Canon R8 has very poor battery. So this is a nice battery, 2200 milliampere battery, pretty decent. And now let's see the camera itself, the S5 IIX, which is the improved version of the S5 II with some advanced video features and software upgrades. And here it is entirely back out, the Lumix signature. And let me show you the camera itself real quick. I've put the strap previously. Here's the camera. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the form factor of the Panasonic Lumix cameras, especially the S series, the S1, the S5. I totally love them. This is no exception with this camera. And let's put the battery real quick. It's pretty easy. So just pop it in and you're good to go. And now let's see what's in the other box, which has the zoom lens, which I also like very much, and I was extremely happy to see that for 2200 euro on the European market you can buy this bundle. It's a fantastic deal. So we have the first box, the smaller one, shader, and a very nice sleeve, very soft padding. Let me open it and show you. So you have your lens protected, very nice quality, to be honest. So you have your lens protected. Let's put this on the side as well with the shader, and let's see the other box, some plastic protection, and we have the zoom beauty here, nicely padded. And here's the zoom lens, 24 to 105 f, constant f4. So absolutely beautiful lens. I totally love it. Let me zoom it in so you can see how much it extends. It is pretty heavy, to be honest, and together with the body of the S5 IIX, it gets very heavy, but to be honest, I like it. I feel it stable in the hand. I feel it like a professional camera. So I like the weight of it, but for some that might be an issue. It's pretty heavy lens, so if you have issue with that, it's because it has like 17 elements inside. Please get a prime, couple of primes, in order to get the most of this camera. And you have a lighter combination of body and lens, but for me it is just perfect to have this versatile lens, which also delivers amazing quality. So pretty good deal. So this was the unboxing of the Lumix S5 IIX together with the 24 to 105 f4 lens in 2026. And the question that I asked in the beginning, do I think it is worthy in 2026? Yes, of course, especially on the price that I got this camera. It is a fantastic deal, and it doesn't matter that it is 2 years old. It has a beautiful 24 megapixel sensor, amazing 4K, 6K recording quality, the best stabilization in class. The IBC in this camera is just fantastic. I've tested Canon, Nikon, Sony. This has the best stabilization, and with the improved autofocus capabilities, the face detection, autofocus with a couple of hundreds autofocus points, it is just a fantastic camera, hybrid shooter, both for images and for video. It is a very good camera, but I'll do extensive testing. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel for the sample videos and photos that I will show you pretty soon. Stay tuned, and I'll see you later.